why I said yes to this today? Because I just wanted to talk. मुझे कोई लेक्चर नहीं देना कि ऐसे कर लो वैसे मत करो ऐसे कर लो ऐसे हो जाएगा बिल्कुल भी नहीं. I just want to talk, so let's start. बचपन से मेरी अम्मा बहुत हैरान होती थी. वो कहती थी तुम्हारे रिपोर्ट कार्ड्स रेड लाइन से भरे हुए होते हैं लेकिन फिर भी तुम हर पेरेंट टीचर मीटिंग में मेरे साथ जाती हो. I think what she actually meant was कि कोई इतना ढीठ कैसे हो सकता है. And I'll tell you why. Because a little rebellious mind of mine used to think कि जब गलती मेरी है तो अम्मा बातों की सुने. जब पढ़ाई मैंने नहीं की तो बातें भी तो मैं ही सुनूंगी. थोड़ा टाइम और गुजरा and I know it's weird logic but that was me. थोड़ा टाइम और गुजरा और मैं आ गई 6th grade में. 6th grade में और अभी तक मुझे पढ़ाई का कोई खासा शौक नहीं था. There was this maths tutor who used to come home to teach me maths. And one fine day, he called me dumb. That man called me dumb, and I can't blame him, it was maths, so what do you expect? Anyways, he called me dumb, and he said, you're wasting your father's money. And you know what I did the next day? मैंने उनकी छुट्टी करा दी. क्योंकि नालायक तो हम थे, लेकिन सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट नाम की भी कोई चीज होती है. थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ते हैं. अब हम बड़े हो गए. अब मैंने और मेरे दोस्तों ने पूरे स्कूल को सर पे उठाया हुआ था. हम बंक करते थे तो साथ करते थे. हम खाते थे तो साथ खाते थे. लेकिन आई थिंक पढ़ाई वाला पार्ट वो अकेले ही कर रहे थे क्योंकि मैं फेल हो गई. Is there anyone in this auditorium who has failed a class in school? Oh, amazing. Which grade? In which grade? And how was that?
Well, it was pretty traumatic because I was grading my art subject. That's when I realized that, yeah, math was not for me. But I still did my activity equation. That's when I started rebelling against my parents. So I was like, oh, I have to go art. What I was really
That's the right way to go. And what about you? Someone over here will also raise their hand. कोई और भी हुए यहाँ पे फेल? किस ग्रेड में?
Ma'am, I was paid in the grade 8.
The same!
And then the interesting thing is this, that I cleared the whole book of maths in front of my elder brother. क्योंकि मैं ट्यूशन देता था मार मेरे
बस फिर भी.
was maths में grade was in the grade 8.
So I also failed the 8th grade. And for the longest time, I couldn't say it. I would, and I know university friends के सामने ये accept करते हुए भी शर्म आती है. For the longest time, I used to make excuses. I said, oh, I felt sick that year. Oh, I couldn't study that year. अगर आजकल का ज़माना होता तो मैं बोलती, oh, Mercury was in retrograde or whatever. झूठ, सब झूठ. Because such simple था. सच ये था कि मेरा पढ़ाई का मुझे शौक नहीं था क्योंकि शौक मुझे किसी और चीज का था. एंड विल कम टू दैट लेटर. थोड़ी सी और भरी हुई एंड अब मैं ओ लेवल्स में आ गई. अब मेरा बदला लेने का स्टाइल थोड़ा सोफिस्टिकेटेड हो गया था. सो नाउ अनदर सर, अकाउंट्स के सर, उन्होंने मेरी बहन को बोला ये पास हो जाए, दैट बी अ मिरेकल. एंड यू नो व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन अ पर्सन who loves to prove people wrong is on a stage and is being questioned. वो दिन था और अगले 3 साल something clicked, and for the first time I studied not because I loved accounting back then, just because I wanted to prove someone wrong. इतना पढ़ा उन 3 सालों में कि मैं अकाउंट्स में डिस्टिंक्शन एक्सपेक्ट करने लग गई, जो कि नहीं आई. बट A स्टार जरूर आया. And guess who was the first person I messaged? Not my friends, not my family. I messaged that teacher and I said, guess who scored an A star? Not that big of a miracle now. Anyways, उसके बाद ये सब तो this wasn't even real life. Real test तो आपका तब शुरू होता है जब आप स्कूल और कॉलेज से बाहर निकलते हो. एंड तब आपको वहाँ कोई रिपोर्ट कार्ड नहीं होता, वहाँ कोई पेरेंट टीचर मीटिंग नहीं होती. It's just life. And life, you have to face people, and it can be messed up because of work, because of circumstances, because of people, and sometimes because of your own self. But there was this one thing I kept telling myself: you don't get to stay on the ground. And there's this thing I read that people who truly succeed in life are the ones who snap back from setbacks the fastest. And that's exactly what I did. Um, Wait, let me just recall what I was saying. Anyways, moving forward, I just knew that there was no option to stop. I kept working all this time. I knew where my heart was, and it was behind the camera. I knew I loved taking pictures. I knew I loved preserving memories for people. And I knew that I wanted to go to NCA and study what I actually wanted to. And that's exactly what I did. From learning photography by using a friend's camera to collecting money in a shoebox with my sister to doing tiny birthday party shoots to doing project shoots and then to actually assisting directors on film sets. And by assisting, I do mean the jharu, pocha, rona, runana, everything on set. And then to being a creative associate for Coke Studio season 14. And then to actually founding my own wedding photography company in Pakistan. We've covered several cities and we cover events all over Pakistan now. And right now, I didn't just found it, I also grew it. I have a team behind me now, and we travel across Pakistan with our cameras, with our heart, creating memories for people. One thing, if I could leave you all with, is, this is something that has helped me through the darkest times. And it was a dialogue which goes like, failure वो नहीं होता जो गिर जाए. Failure वो होता है जो गिर के ना उठे. So fall, fail, and even cry if you need to. But आज से जब जिंदगी आपको दोबारा गिराए, I want you to look it back in the eyes and say, you don't guess who's not done yet, because you're not done. So thank you so much, guys. This is Simaf Saqib Khan. And if by any chance you don't believe in yourself anymore, borrow my belief in you and know that you can do anything in life. और किसी को ये नहीं बताने दो कि आप क्या नहीं कर सकते, बल्कि उनको दिखाओ कि आप क्या क्या कर सकते हो. Thank you so much.